Welcome to Kelly Dry's Adler Access podcast, and this is Simone Roach. Most of the lawsuits we've seen with allegations of greenwashing take the form of consumer class actions. These lawsuits can also take place between competitors, though. Recently, for example, Moldex-Metric filed a lawsuit against its competitor, Protective Industrial Products, alleging that the company made various false and misleading claims about the environmental benefits of a line of earplugs in violation of the Lanham Act and California Unfair or Deceptive Acts or Practices UDAP statutes. When Protective introduced its BioSoft earplug line last year, it launched an ad campaign with sweeping environmental claims. For example, Protective advertised that the earplugs were eco-friendly, sustainable, and the world's first sustainable bio-based earplug. The company also made various specific claims, including that the earplugs are 82% bio-based, that they decompose 76% in 180 days, and that they emit 5.6 times less CO2 carbon emissions than traditional polyurethane foam earplugs. Between March and July of this year, the competitors exchanged letters arguing about the substantiation for the claims. Unsatisfied with the response it received, Moldex commissioned its own bio-based test of the BioSoft products using the same lab Protective had purportedly used. According to the complaint, the test revealed that BioSoft products contain at best approximately 40% and as low as 5% bio-based content. And based on these results, Moldex believes that Protective can't substantiate any of the challenged claims. Carbon-14 dating is a scientific method used to verify bio-based content in materials and products, measuring the amount of radiocarbon present. Bio-based claims are one of the few environmental benefit claims that can be verified by independently testing the product with this carbon-14 analysis. Moldex leans on the FTC's Green Guides and argues that Protective's claims violate the Lanham Act and various California laws. Among other things, Moldex asks the court to issue an injunction requiring Protective to issue corrective advertising to remedy consumer deception caused by its false environmental claims, to require Protective to notify distributors and retailers of the falsity of those claims, and to recall its marketing materials. Moldex will also seek damages in an amount to be proven at trial. And it's too early to predict how this case will turn out, but it demonstrates that even though the FTC may not currently be actively enforcing the Green Guides, companies still need to worry about challenges from other sources, particularly when those claims can be tested by independent analyses. And if you'd like more information on what you've heard on this topic, please contact either Gonzalo Mon or Katie Rogers, and you can find their contact details in the show notes. And also, please see our Advertising and Privacy Law Resource Center, available at kellydry.com.